Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter, Creating Good Content. In this lesson, we're going to talk about sharing high-quality photos. Let's get started. When uploading photos on Facebook, you may notice that the quality of your photos has been reduced. You might see pixelated photos as you upload them. It's disappointing to see that the photo you have worked so hard to prepare and edit were left compressed with pixelated photos. This happens since Facebook automatically reduces the quality of the image that you have uploaded as they compress it, and the image will look different from what you have created. It is important to share high-quality photos on your Facebook page. Images catch people's attention. Low-quality, pixelated, and compressed photos might affect how your potential visitors can view your content. Having high-quality photos will entice your viewers to stay and browse your content, as it is fascinating to view high-quality photos rather than pixelated photos. It can attract more people to like your content and follow your Facebook page as well, as they view good photos on your page. You must resize your photos with Facebook's recommended sizes. Facebook recommends you to follow sizes of 720 pixels, 920 pixels, or 2048 pixels wide. If you follow these recommended sizes, the photo that you will upload will have the same high-quality resolution as the photo that you have created. Also, before you upload the photo, make sure that the file of the image is less than 100 KB, and the file format should be a JPEG file. But if you're going to share photos with text, it would be best to upload them as PNG files. You can showcase the products that you are promoting using high-quality photos, as people would like to view more photos of the product that you are selling. It won't matter how great your product is if it doesn't attract people to view the photo and realize that they must have that product. As a result, you will have fewer conversions with a low-quality photo compared to a high-quality photo on your Facebook page, as it affects the purchasing decision of your potential customers. Now let's try to upload a file on our Facebook page. Click on the photo icon under Create a Post and look for the photo to upload. As you can see, the file size is less than 100 KB. You need to rename the file relevant to what the photo is all about. Now add a caption and click the Upload Post. Now here's the photo we have uploaded. You may notice that the quality of the photo is still the same. No compression can be seen as pixelated photos. If you download the photo and check the dimensions and the file size, you can see that the size is still the same. High-quality photos can increase engagement. Images that are relevant to your potential customers allow them to understand what your content is all about. It is important that the image that you'll upload can make people stop browsing their feed and check out your content. Once they relate to your brand and they get hooked with your content, you can expect them to like the photo, comment, and share your content. Next, add a catchy title to the image. Intriguing captions can capture your potential audience's attention. If you combine a high-quality photo with an interesting caption or a question, you can easily attract people to engage with the image that you'll share. Images can build your brand's identity. If you post images that will be consistent with your brand's color, your followers can easily associate the photo with your brand. It can help your brand stand out, especially when you're consistently sharing content with your business's other social media pages. Now that you know about sharing high-quality photos, we can now proceed to the next topic, uploading videos to increase viewers. I'll see you there.